how's it going? Just got my 8 hangers in the mail from Amazon. These are only about 70 bucks. And I'm gonna swap them out on my Honda Shadow. It's a 98 BT1100C. And it does have some 8 hangers, but they're about 8.5 inch. And I went with the 12 inchers. When I hold them up to them, they look about the same, so hopefully it does make a difference at all. I guess I should have gone with the 14s, but we'll see how it goes. And maybe I can add a little spacer in between these risers here. Maybe some washers or something to raise it up a tiny bit. But the good thing about that is the controls, all the wiring and everything, throttle, and all the good stuff is still gonna fit. So, see how it goes.
Yeah, a little bit longer. Just a little bit. Could have gotten away with the 14, but I didn't want them to be too drastic. So those are gonna be cool. He's just leaning a tiny bit too much. They're pretty comfortable, but yeah, it's gonna be nicer. Oops. Now, just gotta remove this. This is a phone mount I got on Amazon for only like $9. It's really nice. It's meant for bicycles, but it works good. It's got the little lock for your phone. I just put these grips on here, so hopefully I can reuse them. I'm gonna use some WD-40 to lube them up and remove them, and we'll see. Hopefully I can get them on the new ones. But I'm just gonna take all this stuff apart and get it loose. Alright, so I'm going to tie off everything with paracord here so it doesn't hang and it doesn't tear that little cable there. Hopefully when I remove this one I can leave this grip on there. But I'm guessing I will have to take this one off. We'll see. It kind of just splits off. Longer screw in the front, shorter screw in the back. That's all kind of just hanging there. So when I take this grip off, I can just slide it off. And I marked the longer one with a Sharpie in order to know where it goes. Woohoo! I was able to save it. Just use a screwdriver to put some WD-40 down in there. I'll put these on this side so I remember. Go on that side. So that's down. It's held up with some paracord. Just gotta remove this one and hopefully this comes off with it. Couple of screws in the bottom. Let's compare the original, the new ones. Oh yeah, actually that's a big difference. Oh, okay, yeah, that's pretty good. Gets them out there just another couple of inches. Oh yeah, okay. Good, I'm glad they're not the exact same. Yeah, these feel awesome. Look how much further this took out. But you're not like way up here, you know, they're just like very comfortable. That's perfect. I didn't tighten these too tight, so I can adjust them if I need to. But I'm thinking that looks pretty good. This thing on here is bent a little bit, I guess from somebody dropping it before, because I noticed that beforehand, but I kind of slammed it into place. It should be okay. I should replace this, but for now I'm just gonna go with it. Might replace it down the road, but I'm happy with that. That looks pretty cool. So now it's just put everything back exactly how I took it off.
Cheers to finding my wedding dress. I said yes to the dress. We got some free wine from Water to Wine.
Pretty good. But you could have filled my glass to the brim.
New.
Alright, there it is. You can definitely tell the difference. Got them leaning forward a tiny bit. Got my phone mount back on the, it's on the left side because when I'm cruising is usually when I want to change the song and stuff like that, so I can just use my left hand and click over. But yeah, you can tell a huge difference in these 12-inch vape hangers compared to the 8.5 stock on the 98 VT1100C. Yeah, these are awesome. Feel real sturdy. way freaking better. Looks so much better. Drives and handles a lot better too, and the mirrors are a little bit higher so you don't have to look down to see into the mirrors. This couple of inches made a huge difference, and that is what she said.